I'm Rebecca Jones. I'm the president of Atmosphere Global. So Atmosphere is a chemical company. We produce a disinfectant that's an all-in-one cleaner, disinfectant, deodorizer, degreaser. So our product Ag Forte Pro is designed to be safe, effective, and cost-effective for your farming operation, for cleaning out your sow operations, for your ISO wean barns. It also is a total facility product. It can be used to clean your break rooms, showers, and also anything that you need to be disinfected. Ag Forte Pro is effective against PRRS, PED, Seneca Valley virus, and African swine fever, as well as E. coli and other bacteria. What's unique about Ag Forte Pro is that it is a safer product to use and that it's effective while being also safe to disinfect. Our product is really great at foaming on surfaces, so that's really great for visual contact. Our product is very easy to use. It is a foam-on applicator. It can also be a spray-on applicator. So Ag Forte Pro is available in 1, 5, 55 gallons, and as well as totes. If you'd like more information about our product, you can visit our website at atmosphereglobal.com. We also have a wide variety of distributors that you can purchase the product from, like Animal Health International, QC Supply, and Pipestone Veterinarian, as well as Carthage Veterinarian.